stop for a second. Have you ever noticed Allah has a pattern with His servants? You think Allah doesn't answer you, but He does. And today, through this short video, He's answering you. He answers every fear, every doubt, every tear. Not always how you expect, not always when you want, but He answers. Listen to Him speak to you. Allah is ever kind to His servants. He provides to whoever He wills. That's Allah telling you, you are not forgotten. I know exactly what you need. I'll give it at the perfect time. He says, Allah, there is no God except Him, the ever-living, the all-sustaining. Neither drowsiness nor sleep overtakes Him. To Him overtakes Him. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. That's Allah telling you, I never rest. I never slip. While you're falling apart, I'm holding everything together, including you. And He says, He is the originator of the heavens and the earth. When He decrees a matter, He simply says, be, and it is. That's Allah telling you. What feels impossible to you is already easy for me. Just wait for my being. Do you see the pattern now? Every doubt, He answers with reassurance. Every fear, He answers with power. Every hopeless thought, He answers with hope. So take a breath. You're not unseen, you're not unheard. This isn't coincident. This ayah didn't just scroll past you by chance. It found you. Allah sent it to you. Because this, right here, is His answer.